Hey guys, what's up? I resumed the video. My mom just called me, so that's why the video cut. So we're back to doing this again.
Hey.
So we all open Chrome.
Hey,
So this is what you guys gonna see. Hey.
It's called Anime Girl Naughty.
E? What the heck? Who moans like that? Fred! Fred! Look! Back to the show video, and today this video, they're doing a couple challenge. What the heck? Okay, we're in there.
Oh, okay.
Hey, don't look at...
Hey Mika, type in Google Translate, pick my most beautiful side and translate to Dutch. Read out what it says.
Is it gonna insult me?
It's from
gonna insult
Netherlands.
me. Google Translate.
A few moments later.
Okay, English to Dutch. D.
Fred, put a whole bunga there. And play the, put a whole bunga. When do you think, oh, it smells. Josh, did you actually?
No. Stop.
Oh!
I know, right? I dare you up to turn. I dare you to turn it up the max.
Josh! Please watch this. Please. Watch it, Luis.
Oh, the
Watch
hippo.
it. Stop. Stop. What are you doing?
Is that when you like?
Luis, look at the hippo.
Yeah. Where is it? It's a TikTok. They walk in this aisle. Oh. Ah, poo poo.
Oh, bunga.
So you can surf without getting fished.
Bro, who searches up diarrhea sound effects? Josh. Luis, stop with the anime moaning. Oh! Look what happened to the screen.
Someone broke.
Oh no. No, it says loading though, so.
For real? How do you know?
The screen looks good.
Oh my god. I bet you someone punched it. I mean,
Whoa.
if someone. Oh no. That wasn't us, so we're not in trouble.
What the?
Eric, what are you gonna play now? Wait, release for more. I do a second video because my mom interrupted my first one, so I re-record again. I'm just gonna upload this stuff a separate video. Do you need help? Look.
That's so funny.
Hey. Wait, we should all put these on his computer.
We should all put you know what someone said? You know what someone said?
What?
You sit.
Put that anime now.
Oh! Wait,
Hey,
Fred, I have an idea.
Anime is created by Japan. Yeah, I like Japanese.
Okay, how about we play something? Clapping for 1 hour and we walk around the store and see if it's still playing.
If it's still playing, right? Put in the max.
Leave a bungas on
Your
our
favorite sites fast. So you can browse with ease.
Eric, no,
Fast?
No, the
Safe.
anime girl.
and then play the moaning on loop.
Let's get 500. Wait, I'll wait for Fred. I'll wait for Fred.
Yeah, wait.
Wait, don't record.
I'm putting Obungas on everyone's screen.
Okay.
Hey, put Obungas. It's it's like Grandpa Black.
Oh, he just farted.
You guys, I can't move it. It's glitching. It's a glitching bunga.
Wait, I'm gonna put it in fast mode.
I can't sound.
Put all these computers.
Look at all this.
Everything. Bro, I put it in fast mode. Put everything, all these computers like that.
Obunga. Let's go.
Wait. Put it to max. I put it in fast mode. Wait, I still hear it. They're gonna walk past by.
Someone's gonna clap. No. Press that assistance help button, and when they go there, they're gonna see Obungas and clapping.
Wait.
Oh, yeah?
You think I should do? Wait, what time does Target close?
The little kid walks by like I hear clapping. Did you hear it? Wait, let's make them all clap. Let's make them all
What? Yeah. Wait, did you press it? Did you press it or not yet? No, don't press it. Don't press it. We're gonna make all these computers like clapping. You know. It's
Let me
more
search
funny.
up what you search up.
Like search. What is?
It's 1 hour clapping. Survive.
Switch to Chrome to load your favorite sites fast, so you can browse with ease.
Wait, I still hear. Wait, you go back over.
Obungas.
You know.
You hear it? Look, listen.
Which one? We need to get out of here now. Just right.
There's no one in here.
Look.
Oh, she heard it. Wait, quiet. See if you hear it.
Wait. Louis. Oh my God, we're almost like. Well, there's still some people. Oh my God, this is the best video I ever made. Clapping.
Obunga.
I want to get out of here.
Josh, name the video clapping and Target.
Yeah, I think that should be a good title.
That's how we're close to Obunga.
She was there. Eric, she was there in that aisle, right?
Luis, why are you looking at Susie?
Okay, I'm not looking. You're tying your shoe.
Bro, I think this.
Should I name the title like clapping in Tark?
Oh my god. I'm crying. I'm
Go back, go back, go back. Go back to the aisle that we came from.
It's played again, bro.
Okay, okay. Shh. Bro, why is this a big... What the heck is that? As a hole? Yeah. Shh. That's happy?
Hey, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again?
I feel like this is the best video that I made that any other Target videos that I made before. We should play it again. Wait, I think they close at 10.
Fred.
They close at 10.
Clear the area. Clear the area. She just walked by you, bro. We cover over.